Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, September 11th, Thursday, September 11th. Obviously, we did observe a moment of silence this morning for those who perished on this day 13 years ago. Coming from the New York area, I don't know anybody that wasn't affected by it or that knew someone who perished on that day. So, when the New York Stock Exchange held their moment of silence, we observed that as well, which we do every year. Horrific day, one that will always be in our memory, unfortunately. But let's get to it. There was business to have. We did have one trade, which was last night. Nothing so far this morning as far as getting in and closing out of a trade. Not a whole lot of economic news on the calendar. We did have this one trade, which worked out really nicely. We gave this signal to our traders probably about 2 hours before the economic news was coming out from Australia, which was unemployment numbers, was obviously a high-level volatility number. And as you can see in this chart, this is the euro to Australian dollar, which we were short. It was favorable for the Australian dollar, and that's why you saw the euro sell off against the Australian dollar. Like I said, we had given this about 2 hours prior to the release of that report. At the time of the signal, it was trading up. As you see there, it was trading up around the figure 1.4100. The algorithm was figuring if it breaks this level, right around this level, 1.40634, give or take, volume could kick in and drive it down harder. And that's exactly what happened. It blasted through it. We picked up a quick 40.7 pips on it. It did go lower after we covered, and probably another 10, 11, 12 pips lower from where we covered. We weren't going to mess around with it. We weren't going to piece it out. It was late in the evening. This happened around 9:30, 10 o'clock on the East Coast. Instead of messing around with it, trying to piece out, holding some, we're not going to be in the office. It could get complicated. I don't like to do that stuff unless I'm in front of the computer and I'm going to be watching it. That late at night, obviously, I'm shutting it down. Good reason to do it that way. Good reason to get back into cash. Thought with that number, though, when we did cover it, thought with that number we had a chance to go to the figure and then blast through it. Didn't turn out that way. As you can see there, it consolidated about 20 pips lower from where we shorted it for hours on end, and then finally started to break up overnight around 3 or 4 in the morning and started to rally. So, we made the right move. Did we leave some on the table? Sure. Did we play it conservatively? Yes, which we like to do. So no messing around. One trade, picked up 40.7 pips. Take it. We take it every day, obviously, if we could. And we'll move on till tomorrow. Like I said, nothing else really to talk about as far as economic reports. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. If we get any trades, we'll do a video again tomorrow. And if you're trading now, good luck and have a great rest of your day.